Good evening, class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. My name is Prataksha, and today I'm going to teach you science. So, I'm going to ask few questions. If you know the answer, please answer it in a complete statement. First question
Okay,
is
ma'am.
okay, what do you see in the chart?
We see chocolate, lemon, orange, and salt in the chart.
Very good. So, do lemon, chocolate, orange, and salt have same taste?
No, lemon, orange, and chocolate and salt have different taste.
Okay. So, why different foods have different taste?
Different food have different taste because food contains chemical that gives it taste.
Very good. So, which chemical in food makes it taste sour?
Acid present in food makes it taste sour.
Very good. So, what are acid, bases, and salt? Okay, so students, today we are going to discuss about acid, bases, and salt in detail. So, tell me, what is the taste of vinegar?
Vinegar is sour in taste.
Very good. So, what are acids? Acids. Substances that are sour in taste are called acids. Like lemon, the substance which are sour. Similarly, substances that have acid in them are said to be acidic in nature. The nature of that substance is acidic. Naturally occurring acids present in plants and animals are called organic acids. Like if acids are present in plants and animals, they are called organic acids, and these acids are weak acids. See here, some acids which are found, like in vinegar, which acid is found? Acetic acid. In lemon and oranges, citric acid is found. In ants string, formic acid is found. Then in milk and curd, lactic acid is present. In spinach, uh, oxalic acid is present. Apple, malic acid is there. And in amla, ascorbic acid is there. These are the natural occurring acids. So these are called organic acids. Similarly, acids like hydrochloric acid, abbreviation is HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, which are commonly used in laboratories. We use these acids in labs. So these are called minerals acid, and these acids are strong acid. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how do you feel when you touch soap?
We feel slippery and soapy.
Very good. So when you feel so we feel slippery and soapy. So what are bases? Bases, substances which are bitter in taste, soapy and slippery in touch are called bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. If in a substance base is there, then it is said to be basic in nature. Example, like in toothpaste, base is there. Soap, base is there. Clear? These are the examples of bases. Like acid,
Yes, ma'am.
just like I told you, acids are strong and weak acid. Similarly, base is also strong and weak acid. So sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH, and potassium hydroxide KOH are strong base. These are the examples of strong base. And weak bases are very mild. Like example, magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. It is used as an antacid to get relief from excessive acidity in stomach. Sometimes when we drink, eat so much, then what happened? Acidity is there. So for this, magnesium hydroxide is used because it is an antacid. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the taste of common salt?
The taste of common salt is salty.
Okay. So how salts are formed? Okay, salts. When an acid, now you know about acid. When an acid combines with a base, it forms water and a new substance. This new substance is called salt, and along with this, evolution of heat is there. That means if you take acid plus base, see here, if you take acid plus base, new product formed. This is called salt plus water, and heat is evolved in this reaction. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, so the reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction. So when you take acid and base and you react it, this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Example, like right now I told you acid HCl example. So if we have taken HCl plus NaOH, this is base. So what is the product formed? NaCl. This is the salt plus water is formed. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So the nature of salt can be acidic, basic or neutral. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are used to test acid and bases?
Indicators.
Very good. So what are indicators? Indicators. So first, an indicator is a substance that changes color in the presence of acid or base. So indicator indicates whether the substance is acidic or basic. Okay. So example like turmeric. You all know turmeric?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so turmeric is an, see this is turmeric. Turmeric is an indicator that changes color from yellow to red when it comes in contact with a base. It is an indicator only for base. Sometimes when you eat pulses and it spill on your dress, and when you uh, apply the detergent on it, what will happen? It will become red. So this is the indicator for base, because it changes color. This turmeric changes its color from yellow to red. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is then only indicator for base. Next is litmus paper. Litmus. So litmus is a commonly used indicator. How it is made? It is a purple dye obtained from lichens. Now this is how it is made. Now the paper soaked, that is soaked in the litmus solution and dried, it is called litmus paper. It is available in two colors, red and blue. So if there is an acid, you dip blue litmus, it will turn into red, and in base, red litmus changes into blue. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the example. Here it is acid. Acid in a beaker, acid is there. So we have taken the blue litmus paper. See, blue litmus paper. Now on dipping, this is converted into red. So this means this is acid. Clear?
Yes,
Similarly,
ma'am.
yes, okay. Similarly, in the base, now we have taken the red litmus. So if you dip this in base, what will happen? This red litmus changes into blue. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see how much you have learned today. First is, what are acids?
Substances that are sour in taste are called acids.
Very good. And what are bases?
Substances which are bitter in taste, soapy and slippery in touch are called
Yes,
bases.
very good. So what is neutralization reaction?
The reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction.
Good. What is an indicator?
An indicator is a substance that
Yes,
changes the color in the presence of an acid or a
or a
base.
base. Very good. So give one example each of acid, bases and salt. Example of
First,
acid?
for
Yes. Yes, acid.
hydrochloric acid.
Yes.
Second, for base,
Yes.
sodium hydroxide.
Yes,
Then
salt.
salt, NaCl, sodium chloride.
Very good. Okay, let's recap what we have discussed. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. First is,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, a dash is a compound formed by the reaction between an acid and a base. What is formed when you react acid and a base?
Salt is a compound formed by the reaction between an acid and a base.
Very good. Next is organic acids are which acids?
Organic acids are weak acids.
Very good. Next is turmeric is an indicator only for what?
Turmeric is indicated only for a base.
Very good. So next is substances that have base in them are said to be what in nature?
Basic in nature.
Good. Next is sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid are examples of which acid?
Sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid are examples of strong acids.
Very good. So students, this is your today's homework. Homework is ammonia is found in household products such as in window cleaners. So it turns red litmus to blue. So what is its nature? Okay, you have to do this in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, class. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.